everyone, welcome back. My name is Adam Nasser, and in today's video I have another great product for you, which is called Launch-O-Matic. So basically, Launch-O-Matic is a complete training course in which there is a great business idea for complete newbies who have no experience beforehand and have never earned a dime on online, so they can get started with this product, Launch-O-Matic, and start collecting the buyers list, their leads, and start building their own list of buyers, so they can basically progress in the email marketing business. So what is the business idea that Launch-O-Matic has shared is the launching. So basically, launching digital products is the best business to be in right now. So there is no limit on how much you can earn. Other people send traffic to you and build a buyers list, launch in any niche, get evergreen sales, get passive income, which is the most important thing, getting passive income and building a buyers list. So live the life you have been waiting for. Now let me take you to the bonus page, and after that I will show you the front end and how the software works. So first of all, I will discuss the bonuses which you will get if you pick up this product via the link I will leave in the description. So I have already discussed what Launch-O-Matic is about. There will be a few upsells with the front end as well. So the front end will cost you for $27, and it will cover all your facets of launching, from selecting the product to listing it on Warrior Plus to finding affiliates and to capturing buyers by emails and all the other details of making it go live. So basically, Launch-O-Matic will help you with each and every step of how you can get started launching your own digital products, which will earn you huge amount of money. So then there is upsell one to Launch-O-Matic, which is for $37, in which you will get advanced strategies on how to really make a launch take off, which will include cross-selling coupons and discounts, private promotions, and much more. Then there is OTO2 for $47, in which you will get special training on how to turn the PLR, public label rights, into a product. So product creation is hard for many, but if you get good training course, good training, mentorship, then this is nothing. Product creation becomes the easiest of all. So training is what you need, mentorship is what you need. Makes it easy for people to follow along and make their own unique product. Then there is OTO3 for $199. This is a deep discount on my high-ticket digital product workshop training. This is a $997 course that the vendor is offering at the low price here, since it's a natural progression from learning about launching. So the benefits, you will get your own passive income streams, and you will be able to build your own buyers list, and you will live the laptop style life, and you will be able to launch your own products on Warrior Plus. So this product comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee. You can click here to secure your copy and your bonuses. The bonuses which you will be getting if you pick this up via the link I will mention in the drop down in the description, and a few bonuses from the vendor as well. So the first bonus which you will get, which is worth for $427, the secret weapon. So basically, secret weapon is a software that is loaded with all the hacks and all the strategies that will get you started making money online. And you don't require anything outside other than this product if you want to get started making money ASAP. And then there is another bonus 2, which is worth for $46, how to build a WordPress site. So you will learn how you can build your WordPress site. So basically, other than Warrior Plus, you can launch your products there, and you can use a website as well to divert all the traffic and to it and start making money from the website as well. Then there is a third bonus as well, which is worth for $344. The secrets the gurus aren't telling you. So basically, the 7 deadly sins of email marketing. So all the secrets that you need to know, which the gurus aren't telling you, you will be able to learn those secrets in this bonus. How you can get your email list growing day by day, and much more. Then there is a fourth bonus, which is turn your Gmail into an autoresponder. If you don't want to pay for the autoresponder monthly fees, then you can use your Gmail as well and turn it into an autoresponder. And then there is bonus 5, which is all vendor bonuses and special bonuses. If you take action today, you will be able to secure these bonuses as well. Click here, secure your copy of the product and the bonuses as well, and get started making money online as soon as possible. So now let me take you to the front end of Launch-O-Matic. So basically, this is the dashboard of Launch-O-Matic. You will find a brief introduction. Then you can start here. They will show you a big picture, how the money works, and all the launch details. And then there will be traffic and marketing, and then behind the scenes of the vendor's Warrior Plus account. You will be able to discover that as well. Then there are a few basics which you need to learn before you get into developing your own products and start selling. So starting from product types, funnels, sales pages, how you can create all these sales pages, JV document, outsourcing it, then autoresponders, Munchai. They will share each and every detail on how to get the affiliate approval, support. Everything will be in this basic training for the launching. Then there will be step-by-step instructions as well. The product, the pre-setup activities, Warrior Plus setup, test purchase, autoresponder, first day sales, and then there is a case study which you can look into and see that this product really works and people are actually making money from this. And then using PLR to make a product. Then there will be advanced strategies as well, and digital product workshop as well, and the bonuses, the all vendor bonuses, which I have mentioned earlier. You can get access to these bonuses as well. So basically, it's a detailed training course that will get you started as soon as you complete the training course and this basic course, and you can then get started creating your own products and launching them and building your own buyers list. So that's it for this review of this product, Launch-O-Matic, and it is actually a very helpful product. People are doing this and they are scaling huge amount of money from this, and so you can too. So thank you so much. If you would like to see more of these review videos, then comment down below. Thank you so much for watching.